Have you ever wondered why some people can eat whatever they want and stay slim, while others struggle to lose weight no matter how hard they try? The secret lies in metabolism. But here's the exciting part: your metabolism isn't fixed. You can actually increase it and take control of how your body burns energy. Stick around until the end because I'll share an often overlooked trick that can make a huge difference, and it's something you can start doing today. Most people think metabolism is just about exercise or diet, but there are hidden factors you might not know about. For example, your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock, plays a major role. Eating your largest meals earlier in the day, when your body is most primed to burn calories, helps your metabolism work more efficiently. It's like giving your body the right fuel at the right time. Here's another surprising method: cold exposure. Spending time in a cool environment or taking cold showers activates brown fat in your body. Unlike regular fat, brown fat burns calories to produce heat, making it a secret weapon for boosting metabolism. Even just a few minutes of cold exposure daily can add up over time. Your breathing can also impact your metabolism. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing reduces stress and lowers cortisol levels, a hormone that, when elevated, slows down metabolism. Practicing deep breathing for a few minutes each day not only calms your mind but also helps your body burn energy more efficiently. Spices can also play a surprising role. Chili peppers, ginger, and cinnamon don't just add flavor, they increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat. This burns calories and gives your metabolism a temporary boost with every bite. Here's something most people never consider: laughter. Genuine, belly-shaking laughter isn't just good for your mood, it burns calories too. Just 10 to 15 minutes of laughter a day can make a noticeable difference over time. It's proof that having fun can be good for your body as well as your spirit. Now, as promised, here's the game-changing trick: intermittent fasting. This doesn't mean skipping meals or starving yourself. It's about eating within a specific time window, such as an 8-hour period. Research shows that intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity, increases fat burning, and helps your metabolism function more effectively. It's a simple shift that can lead to powerful results. Your metabolism is like a fire, it burns brightest when fueled properly. Sync your meals with your body's natural clock, add metabolism boosting spices, embrace cold exposure, laugh more, and give intermittent fasting a try. Each of these strategies builds on the others, helping you unlock the full potential of your metabolism. Don't forget to like and share this video, someone you know might just need these tips to kickstart their own health journey.